Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of metal detectors to compare the top 5 models available on the market right now. Whether you're an enthusiast, a beginner, or just looking to pick up a fun hobby, we've got you covered with in-depth reviews of detectors ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the National Geographic Starter Metal Detector Kit for kids. This entry-level metal detector is perfect for young treasure hunters or anyone who wants to introduce kids to the hobby. The 7.4-inch waterproof dual coil can detect metal objects up to 4 inches deep, making it ideal for beach hunts or backyard exploration. Plus, it's super lightweight at just 1.2 pounds, so kids can easily handle it during extended treasure hunts. The design is clearly made with kids in mind, featuring an adjustable arm length and a comfort grip for smaller hands. The simplicity of operation is a standout feature. Just turn it on and you're ready to go. The kit even includes a trowel for digging and a full-color learning guide to teach kids about metal detecting and its history. However, this detector is better suited for casual use rather than professional-grade hunting. While the National Geographic Starter Metal Detector offers great value at just $39.99, its limited depth and detection range may not satisfy more advanced users. It's an educational tool and a fun gift idea for kids, but don't expect it to rival the performance of higher-tier models. Pros: lightweight, affordable, kid-friendly design. Cons: limited depth detection, not suitable for serious treasure hunting. At number 4, we have the Metal Detector for Adults by Hazelwoke. This model is a fantastic option for beginners who want to step up from entry-level detectors without breaking the bank. With 5 professional modes, all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, this detector delivers versatility for various terrains and detecting needs. The upgraded DSP chip improves detection accuracy and depth, capable of locating coins up to 10 inches underground and larger items at greater depths. The design is both functional and user-friendly, featuring a large backlit LCD display that's 50% larger than competing models. Adjustable features like the detection rod and forearm rod make it suitable for users of varying heights, including kids. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, and the lightweight 2.4-pound build ensures portability for outdoor adventures. The package includes 2 9-volt batteries, a shovel, and over-ear headphones for immersive treasure hunting. Priced at $98.78, this metal detector strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. While it offers solid performance for beginners, it may lack the advanced features or precision desired by professionals. Pros: intuitive interface, lightweight design, decent detection depth. Cons: limited advanced features, not as durable as premium models. Coming in at number 3 is the Riptych Metal Detector for Adults. This professional-grade detector is designed for treasure hunters who want precision, durability, and a complete accessory package. The 10-inch IP68 waterproof coil allows for reliable detection in various terrains, including beaches and shallow water. With a maximum detection depth of 10 inches, the Riptych detector is perfect for uncovering coins, jewelry, and relics. Its advanced DSP technology minimizes false signals, making your hunts more efficient. The adjustable stock length, ranging from 19 to 50 inches, ensures maximum comfort for users of all heights. Plus, the package includes premium headphones, a pinpoint device, a holster, a dagger-like digger, and a backpack. Everything you need for a successful treasure hunt. The lightweight design reduces fatigue, allowing for longer sessions without discomfort. At $124.99, this detector offers a robust build and professional-grade features. While the Riptych detector is excellent for serious hobbyists, it does come at a higher price point compared to other models on this list. Pros: complete accessory kit, advanced DSP technology, adjustable and ergonomic design. Cons: slightly heavier than competitors, higher price. At number 2 is the Pankey Metal Detector PK0075. This model is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want a high-performing yet easy-to-use detector. With 5 modes, including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, it caters to a wide range of detecting needs. The upgraded DSP chip delivers 25% better detection speed, accuracy, and sensitivity compared to competitors, ensuring you can focus on valuable targets while avoiding trash. The intuitive LCD display is designed with beginners in mind, featuring a backlight for nighttime use. The adjustable length, 47.3 to 55.2 inches, makes it suitable for users of all sizes, while the lightweight build and anti-slip handle enhance comfort. The IP68 waterproof coil lets you hunt in shallow water, though the control box is not waterproof. The kit includes a carry bag, steel shovel, headphones, and 2 9-volt batteries, making it a complete package for treasure hunting. Priced at $117.99, the Pankey PK0075 offers excellent value for its performance and features. Pros: advanced DSP chip, beginner-friendly design, waterproof coil. Cons: control box not waterproof, slightly higher price compared to basic models. And at number 1, we have the Pankey PK1098 metal detector, the ultimate choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This premium model features 5 modes, including all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, making it versatile for all terrains and detecting needs. The PanQuest technology drastically reduces interference, ensuring precise identification of valuable targets. The 10.55 by 8.35-inch waterproof coil enables efficient treasure hunting even in shallow water, though the control box remains non-waterproof. The adjustable length, 27.2 to 51.2 inches, and lightweight design, 3 pounds, make it comfortable for long sessions, whether you're an adult or a child. The large backlit LCD screen provides clear visibility in all lighting conditions, making it easy for beginners to operate. The kit includes high-quality headphones, a steel shovel, a carry bag, and 2 9-volt batteries. At $127.99, the PK1098 is the most expensive on this list, but its superior features and build quality make it worth the investment. If you're looking for professional-grade performance and reliability, the Pankey PK1098 is your best bet. Pros: precise detection, premium build quality, complete accessory kit. Cons: higher price. Control box not waterproof. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the top 5 metal detectors. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned treasure hunter, I hope this video helped you find the perfect detector for your needs. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Happy treasure hunting!